OceAura Natural Plant Essential Oils, the essence of nature. Imagine harnessing the pure essence of nature, bringing its soothing and rejuvenating power into your daily life. Introducing OceAura Natural Plant Essential Oils, a collection of carefully crafted, 100% natural oils made from the finest plants around the world. 1. What makes OceAura special? OceAura stands out by using only the highest quality, sustainably sourced plants to create essential oils that are as pure as they are potent. Each bottle contains the powerful benefits of nature without any synthetic additives or chemicals. From lavender fields in Provence to eucalyptus groves in Australia, we handpick the best ingredients and use traditional extraction methods to preserve the natural purity of every oil. 2. The benefits of using OceAura essential oils. Whether you're looking to relax, refresh, or rejuvenate, OceAura's diverse range of essential oils offers something for every need. Our oils can be used for relaxation, lavender and chamomile for calming your mind and body. Energizing, peppermint and citrus oils to boost your energy and focus. Skincare, tea tree and rose oils for natural, glowing skin. Aromatherapy, create an atmosphere of peace and balance with our calming blends. 3. How to use OceAura essential oils. OceAura essential oils are versatile and easy to use. Add a few drops to your diffuser for instant relaxation or blend with a carrier oil for a soothing massage. You can even incorporate them into your skincare routine for natural healing and rejuvenation. 4. The power of nature in every drop. Each drop of OceAura essential oil carries the essence of the plants from which it's derived, capturing their natural power to help heal, restore, and enhance your well-being. 5. Join the OceAura journey. Join the OceAura journey and rediscover the wonders of nature in every breath, every moment. Let the pure, natural essence of OceAura Natural Plant Essential Oils become a part of your daily life. OceAura, embrace the essence of nature and enhance your life with the power of pure, natural essential oils.